to another episode of Kyle's Kitchen, okay? Boom, we're gonna get right to it, all right? Season 3, all right, this is season 3. We're ready in October 2020, and I am so excited, okay, for this season. I got a lot of videos ahead of us, and okay, so this episode I'm making Italian sausages. Right off the bat, what you want to buy at the grocery store is kielbasa. It's usually a big sausage that wraps around. It's about a foot long, 10 inches to 12 inches long, and it wraps around in a plastic plastic package. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to chop them up in like threes. Okay, 3 portions. All right, so this is what it looks like, the Italian sausage cooked. Okay. This is what it looks like cooked, okay? And what you want to do is it comes out circular, like this, the sausage. So what you want to do is you want to cut it in the middle, and you want to open it up and flatten it out. Basically butterfly the sausage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this on the skillet, and I'm going to begin to cook it, okay? Next, the other ingredients for it is, well, actually, you could put the Italian sausage on top of rice, or you could put it in a roll. I don't have a roll, a sub roll, so what I'm gonna do is take 2 pieces of white bread and I'm gonna combine them together, and I'm just gonna put the sausage on top of that and then put the toppings on it. All right, also a potato. What you wanna do with the potato is you wanna boil it in hot water. After you boil it in hot water, you wanna get it nice and soft. You pull it out, you chop it up in thin pieces. And the thin pieces should probably look just like this, okay? Thin pieces just like this, all right? If you can see it. Pieces like that, thin, round pieces, okay? Also, for the toppings, you want to use stir-fry vegetables, okay? So basically, onions, peppers, banana peppers, and that's it. Stir-fry vegetables, okay, and that's gonna get sautéed in it. And for the topping, for the condiment, you want to use ketchup, okay. Take some ketchup and put it on top. All right. I already have everything already cooked up, ready to go. So I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay. Okay, everybody. So we're at the stovetop. I got the Italian sausage cooking. All right, it's on the skillet, getting hot. All I'm gonna do is warm it up, that's it. And I'm gonna throw the toppings, which is the potatoes and the onions and the peppers, the fajita peppers on top, stir fries. I'm throwing that on top. Throw that in the skillet, and that's gonna go on top of the Italian sausage. Okay. Do want to use some butter. Yes, you do. Okay, you want to get it nice and hot, okay guys? You want to saute the vegetables and the potatoes. Alright, so we got the sausage going right here, and we got the potatoes and stir-fry vegetables going. Going to get it nice and hot. Alright, well I'll show you the final product after these messages. Alright guys? Alright everybody, so this is what the final product looks like. Italian sausages, okay? I put it on bread, and I'm going to take some ketchup, okay? Put some ketchup on top. Okay? And this is our show. Hope you enjoy. Alright, be good to each other.